Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, and we are out today doing a run through of a project over in the Rockmart area. This is a cute little bungalow, and this is where partnering up with us makes some sense. This property's been on the market for a little bit and it's not selling, and part of it is just because they didn't have the ability to get some of this stuff done. So we will actually use our own funding and get paid on closing to do this. But this is just a repaint. It's a cute bungalow. It'll sell fast once it's cleaned up. It's little stuff that people forget, like these gutters have been clogged for a long time. They might have a gutter screen or something on there, but they still need to be cleaned. And so because it hasn't been cleaned, the water's dropping along the baseline of the house, like right here. And so it's rotted this section of bandboard here and the other side of the house. And that stuff just scares people. Fresh coat of paint on this house will make a huge difference, and they'll get it sold. So here we would be cleaning up and restaining the deck here, the front porch deck. We'd probably do like a Cordovan color that we use on a lot of our flips. Something to lighten this thing up, maybe a crushed ice on the exterior, which is a kind of a light gray. I'm not sure about the trim color, but something just to brighten it up. We got a little bit of rotted 2x4 fascia up under this metal roof. It just makes it a little more challenging to replace this because it's up under the edge of the roof right there. But we'll get it done. Along the side here, same thing. These gutters have never been cleaned, and so you're rotting out the plywood bandboard right here all the way across. So we got one section that here is rotted. We got one section right at the HVAC unit right here. The T111 siding, it's harder to get this material right now, but we would take it from the backside over here. I'll get there in a minute. We could continue under here and create the same bandboard here, so it actually look better anyway, and then take a piece of the siding from over here and bring it over here to patch in, so it'll all blend in. It's all, you know, it's so hard when people come out to buy a home. They want it move in ready, retail. They don't want to have to do anything, and rotted wood just scares people. So like here's that other section of siding right here. So if we came across here with the bandboard, we'd have these pieces in here to piece whatever we need to do over here, and then it would all look the same. So that's a win. It's really just paint. Because we're changing colors on this, it's a little more expensive just because it's 2 coats of paint. And you can see the back of the house back here. Stuff like this, once it's caulked, inspectors aren't going to fuss with that. Certain things like this window nose right here is starting to rot, but we'll go ahead and paint it. We won't fix that. We'll leave that for an inspection report. This piece of brick mold right here, we should go ahead and replace on the back of the house. And there's another one around the corner here. So anything that's obviously rotted, you want to go ahead and take care of it. Like this door's been getting a lot of water, so this door actually needs to be replaced. I don't think we can repair it at this point. The grill up here is all rotted out too, so it's a 30-inch door. A little piece of rotted trim right here in the corner. And then just cleaning this up, cleaning this deck up and restaining it will make a huge difference. They got a great yard back here. I mean, it's on a busy road. We got all these little outbuildings. You got a nice private lot back here and a great area for the kids to play. And then again, on this side, you can kind of see where the water's been catching this bandboard. And once it's all fixed up, be ready to go. We've been doing this stuff for 30 years in Metro Atlanta. I'm getting old. It's hard to admit that, but I'm getting older. I started this company when I was 26, 27 years old. And we've been doing it ever since, my brother and I, and we got a crew of 20 to 30 guys, depending on where we are in the season and what we got going on. We do everything from little small handyman stuff to full house remodels, mold remediation, all kinds of goodies, everything in between. So you can give us a call. The office number is on the video, or you can reach me directly sometimes at 770-265-9017. I'm Andy with Handy Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.